Dear students, in the last lecture in school, we have discussed topic inverse of finding 2 by 2 matrix by elementary row transformation by using elementary row transformation. So we will continue our learning from the same topic for finding the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix by elementary row transformation. Suppose a matrix A whose elements are 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2. We know that A is equal to IA. We can write. We know about this property. So elements of A are 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2, and identity matrix of elements are 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. It is 3 by 3 matrix because A is 3 by 3 matrix. So we want to A as it is. We want to find out inverse of this matrix. So we have to make this as identity matrix. Then automatically it will be A inverse. We want to make this identity matrix. For making this identity matrix, firstly we will make this 1, and by using this one we will make these two zeros. After that we will make this one by using R3 or dividing by same element, and by using this one we will make these two zeros, and then we will make this one by dividing same element and then make these two zeros by using this one. So firstly we will make this one by using these two. How we will make one? We can interchange R1 and R3. R1, applying R1, interchange R3. So R3 elements are 3 minus 2 2. We will write on first at the place of first row, and 2 minus 3 3 are the first row elements. We will write at the third row, and same it is 0 0 1 we will write here, and 1 0 0 we will write in third row. Second row as it is here, second row as it is. Now we will make this 1 by using R2 or R3. So if we subtract R2 from R1, then it will be 1. R1 minus R2. No change in second and third row. 0 1 0 1 0 0. So R1 minus R2 means corresponding elements will be subtracted. 3 minus 2 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1. Now we will make 2 as 0. So R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. If we will subtract 2 from 2, it will be 0. Then multiply first row by 2 and subtract from second row. So R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. Same procedure we will follow for third. R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. No change in third row. So no change in first row. So 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1. So R2 minus 2R1 means R2 minus 2R1 means 2 minus 2 into 1. It will be 0. 2 minus 2 into minus 4. It will be 2 plus 8, 10. Multiply this by 2. Minus 2. 3 minus minus 2, 5. Same in right hand side. R2 minus 2R1 means R1 is 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Multiply by 2. Minus 2. 1 minus minus 2. It is 3. Multiply by 2 and subtract from second row. Then it will be minus 2. Now we will applying operation on R3. So R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. Multiply this by 2 and minus from third row. It is 0. Now multiply by 2. It is minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 3 minus 3 minus minus 8. It will be 5. 3 minus 2 into minus 1. It will be 5. 1 minus 2 into 1, 0. So it is also 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 0 minus minus 2, it is plus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2. Clear? Now we will make this as 1 by using R3, but it is impossible to make 1 by using R3, so we will divide by the same element. R2 tends to 1 by 10 R2. Now first row no change, third row no change, first row no change, third row no change. Divide R2 by 110. So it is 1. 5 by 10 it is 1 by 2. Divide by 10. 0 by 10 is 0. 3 by 10 is 3 by 10. Minus 2 by 10 we can write minus 1 by 5. Now we will make this 0 and this 0 by using 1. So I am writing same number, same elements. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 1 1 by 2, 0 5 5, 0 minus 1 1, 0 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5, 1 2 minus 2. Now we will make this as 0 by adding 4. So we will multiply this by 4 and add in first row. So R1 tends to R1 plus 4 R2, and R3 we want to change in R3, so R3 tends to R3 minus 5 R2. Clear? So second row no change, here also second row no change. So multiply R2 by 4 and add in first row. So it is 1. Multiply by 4, it is 4 minus 4 plus 4, 0. Multiply by 4, it is 2 minus 1 plus 2, 1. Same in right hand side, R1 plus 4 R2. So 0 plus 0, 0. Multiply by 4, it is 12 by 10. So minus 1 plus 4 into 3 by 10, yani 12 by 10. Minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12, it is 2 by 10, 1 by 5. So same, 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. Same in next, R3 tends to R3 minus 5 R2. It means 0 minus 0, 0. Multiply by 5 and subtract from this, it is 0. Multiply by 5, 5 minus 5 by 2, it is 5 by 2. Multiply by 5 and subtract from this, it is 1. Multiply by 5, it is 15 by 10. 2 minus 15 by 10, it is 20 minus 15 by 10. So 5 by 10, so it is 1 by 2. Now multiply by 5, 5 cancel with 5, minus 2 minus 5 into minus 1 by 2.